So we have a really big day today. We are going to 2 waterfalls and a coffee plantation.
All like 2 hours.
The furthest one is 2 hours, like what Por said. And so we're really just gonna take our time. We've been up since 6 in the morning, and
we're gonna try to rent a motorbike and work our way there. So hopefully we survive the traffic and hopefully it's not too crazy.
Are you nervous?
Somewhat.
It's been a while, huh?
It's been a while.
Yeah.
And especially, you know, in like crazy traffic.
Yeah.
We get the silver one. This one's okay.
Yeah, okay.
What time do we bring back?
Yeah, 9 p.m.
9 p.m. Okay. Do we pay now or pay later?
Yeah, up to you.
Okay. Well, we can pay later. Is that okay? Okay.
What number again? Yeah, 95.
95?
Okay.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Thank you.
Later.
Shortcut, and this is what happens when you take a shortcut. It was 4 minutes faster. Okay, so we stopped to get some gas. We saw a coffee plantation on the way, and I don't know, it's just so crazy. I also saw 2 cows on the road, and that was something that I always like dreamed about, like just driving down the road with cows crossing. So that's really cool.
Alright, what's up folks? So we finally made that 1 hour and 30-minute drive all the way here to Pongour Falls. I heard it's one of the most beautiful waterfall here in Dalat.
So. It's the #1 waterfall.
Yeah, #1. So I'm hoping that'll be like a super big waterfall, and after this we're gonna go to another waterfall which is called Elephant. Okay, Elephant Waterfall. A lot of waterfall, but anyways, we gotta hurry because there's like 2 tour buses that just showed up. So we gotta hurry up before it's like super packed. And I believe we probably have to like hike a little bit to get to the waterfall. So stay tuned. There's a little bit of a hike. Some steep stairs right here. But I don't think we're too far from the waterfall. We can hear the river.
Or this means that when we come up, we have to come up these 2 stairs.
Yep.
Is the beautiful #1 rated waterfall in Dalat.
I think it's called Pongour Falls. Definitely recommend you guys to come and check this place out.
We've never seen anything like this.
Yeah, I think this is probably one of the most beautiful waterfalls we've seen so far.
Yes.
This place is surrounded by nature, just so much trees. But anyways, just check out that beautiful view. And it's a good thing there's not too much people right now, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna get packed.
Yeah. There's nobody behind us. We have the waterfall to ourselves. It's amazing. Alright you guys, so we just finished the waterfall, and I hope you loved that waterfall like I did, because I loved it.
If you really want to like take some good photos, you gotta come here early before you know, all these like tourist people come and just start like hogging everything.
You know what's really weird?
There's barely any room for you to kind of like walk around.
I know.
Let's go to our next destination. up everyone? So we finally made it to the Elephant Waterfall. Took us about like 30 minutes to get here, 30-40 minutes. The price is 20,000 dong per person. So we paid about almost $2 for both of us. So the price of the Elephant Waterfall and the Pongour Waterfall together, we pretty much pay almost $4 only. So that's pretty cheap. Now let's go check out the waterfall.
You're curious of what the reason is why we're out here? It's because we just finished school like a year and a half ago, and I just thought of this crazy idea. I had a teacher who taught abroad for a whole year, and he said it was the best experience he ever had. He taught in China and he went to 23 different countries while he was teaching. So I thought like it's really possible for me and Corey to do it. And hopefully our videos motivate you guys to come. And if you guys have any questions, you guys can always contact us and we will be more than happy to help. Behind us is this beautiful waterfall. It's really steep to get down here, so
It's pretty crazy.
make
So
sure you
wear
have
shoes.
There's like signs like, you know, no climbing stuff, but obviously nobody follows the rules.
Yeah.
And so these are actually really, really dangerous. You can slip and fall. There's a lot of people here. I just wish it wasn't this crowded, and you know, it's not really a lot of places for you to just sit down and hang out because everyone's trying to go in and go out. Alright, so we made it halfway up, and this view is actually
So much better.
You can feel the breeze, it's not hot.
I wouldn't recommend going down the other way. Just come to the viewpoint.
This feels so good. Can you guys see the mist? It feels really good. Yes, I have this whole place to myself. Woo! It feels so good. And it's so beautiful right behind me here.
Okay, what's up folks? So we finally made it to the coffee farm or plantation.
It ended up being also a weasel farm.
Yeah, so that's where they get their weasel poop coffee. Alright, so these are the weasel feces. The weasel poop, and that's where they extract all the coffee beans. Yep. That's how you get weasel poop coffee.
I see a weasel.
Where? There's a weasel.
Something not obvious.
So these weasel are like feeding on those coffee beans, and then when they poop out the coffee bean as well. So I think the process is, it makes the coffee a lot more sweeter instead of like bitter. Time to go up and let's go see the mountain view.
The moment you guys all have been waiting for. Por is going to try some weasel poop coffee. Okay, over here is super pretty. If you're in Dalat, please stop here. The weasel thing, they didn't charge us. We just went in there, saw how the weasels lived, and then saw their scat. There's like a flower garden over there, so hopefully we can go see it. It's been a very long day for us. So if you wake up early, you can get things done, right, Por? Ooh. All right, it's done brewing. So whenever you're ready, Pour Master.
It's not too bad. I think maybe some condensed milk would have been better.
So what's the difference between a regular coffee and a Weasel food coffee?
I have no idea. They all taste the same.
I just met some Hmong ladies and they were so happy to see me. They were just taking a whole bunch of selfies with me and they were like, oh my god, I'm so happy. And I was like, oh my god, I'm so happy too. And then they're like, oh, like they were just really, really happy. And it's great to see, you know, your people at places like this, because you don't, like, I didn't expect it. And then like when I saw one of the daughters wearing Hmong clothes, I was like, oh my god, poor, I think she's Hmong. And then I turned around right away and I was like, poor, I think she's Hmong, I'm gonna ask her. And then so I went and then I was like, oh, are you Hmong? And she's like, oh yeah. And I was like, oh awesome, like this is amazing. And then like right away they were like, oh my god, can I take a picture of you? Like they wanted so much selfies, and then I got some photos with them. They're Hmong stripe, which is amazing because the whole time we were in Thailand we just met white or green, so not stripes. And then their last name is Mong Ya. Happy traveling! There's a beautiful flower garden behind me and it's so awesome. We're gonna go to a different flower garden, but I think it's more expensive, so we'll just stick to this one. There's a lot of sunflowers. It's so pretty. And then I have the mountain view right there. Right there, the mountain view. I can get lost in here. You guys wanna get lost with me?
It's too small for you to get lost.
Too small? Woo, that breeze smells good.
Okay, if you want to come see this flower garden by the coffee plantation, you're gonna have to pay 20,000 dong per person. So that's around like almost $1 just to get in. So it's not bad. Yeah, it's worth it.
Okay, you guys, we are at this beautiful viewpoint. It's like a little super cute moonlight moon thing. You can do like a couple photo right here. You can do solos. It's beautiful.
It's pretty dangerous though, because there's really no like rails right here.
Oh yeah.
So you gotta be careful.
Oh yeah.
Don't slip or trip, or else it's gonna be like, you know.
This is a good spot for a proposal.
Yeah. But yeah.
Safe and sound, and that was actually really crazy coming back. It was cloudy and there was a lot of drivers, and so we really just took our time trying to get back, especially the roundabouts. It's really crazy. So now it's time to pay and then we're gonna walk home. Thank you. Alright, so this is our lady. She's the one who rented the motorbikes for us. So if you come to Dalat, come to her and she'll give you a good price. Yeah.
Now that's how you get back in town like a boss. Crossing all these traffic was pretty crazy. I mean, as long as you go with traffic, you'll be fine. But if you keep braking in the middle of the road, then you're just causing a lot of traffic jam for everyone. So
if it is necessary though, you do need to stop, okay? Because I've seen a few motorbikes that just had to stop and let whoever's in front go.
So if you're taking like a passenger, just have your passenger signal every time you're about to turn.
Yeah, so we're going
it's
left,
super
then I
helpful.
will go like this. My hands are like this.
Yeah.
And then,
So-
or like this.
It's super helpful for your partner to be signaling, so that way motorbike from far away or cars, they know that you're turning, so they'll give you some space to turn.
Alright, so that is it for this video. I hope you like it. We're gonna go grab something to eat and then go back home. So.
And we will see you in the next video.
Yeah, bye y'all.
Close it. Close the video.
Boom.